Let me give you a simple fact. What is a gene? It's a blueprint to make a protein. The proteins are the building blocks of the body, 100,000 different proteins. And I said, but a protein needs a blueprint to make it, and that's what a gene is. A gene is a blueprint. So I go, interesting fact, go into an architect's office and she's working on a blueprint, lean over her shoulder and just say, hey, is your blueprint on or off? She's looking at you, what, are you crazy? It's a blueprint. There's no on and off. Precisely. Genes are blueprints. They are not capable of what is called self-emergence, meaning that they make a decision, that they control what's going on. They're just the blueprints. What you really want to know about, who's the architect? I go, well, whoever the architect is, that's the one that controls the chemistry in the blood, because it's the blood chemistry that determines the genetic activity. So now we got one step up here. We say, okay, I got original cells in my body, in culture medium called blood, that the chemistry of the blood is controlling the genetics. And then, of course, the next question is, well, then who's the chemist? And I go, the chemist is the brain. The brain adds the chemistry to the blood necessary to coordinate the cells. Then comes the most important question, and that is, so what chemistry should the brain put into the body? And the answer, whatever picture you have in your mind, the brain translates that picture into complementary chemistry. So, for example, if you open your eyes and you see someone you love, the brain translates love into love chemistry, dopamine, pleasure, oxytocin, bonding, growth hormone, which does what it does. It enhances your vitality. That's why when people fall in love, that chemistry is pleasure and bonding and growth and happiness. So being in love is really good. But if you have a picture of fear or something you're afraid of in your mind, then the brain will translate that into fear chemistry, which, oh, that's different. Fear chemistry is stress hormones and factors that shut down the immune system. And so fear chemistry puts you in a protection mode. Love chemistry puts you into a growth mode, okay? So the picture in your mind. Now comes what is going to be a shock for some of you out there. And here it goes. There is no gene that causes cancer. No, there's no gene. If you have this gene, it causes cancer. Genes are correlated with cancer, but they don't cause it. I'll give an example. Most women are very concerned about the breast cancer gene. It's so, widespread and all that. And a lot of people believe, oh my God, I have the breast cancer gene. I'm going to get cancer. I go, no. 50% of the women that carry that breast cancer gene never get the cancer. So there's an immediate point. Possession of the gene does not cause cancer.
Well, those are just the lucky ones.
Well, they're not lucky. There's some. What's the issue with the ones that did get the cancer? See,
no, but luck is science. Luck is science, right?
It's actually the luck of consciousness. And the idea is simply this. If you're living in harmony with the world around you, then you will enhance vitality. But if your behavior is not in harmony with the environment and the world that you're in, the disharmony releases chemistry that leads to dis-ease. Health harmony, disease, disharmony. Okay?
Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, why not subscribe? Here's a link to do that. And if you'd like to watch the full interview, you can find it at chrisbeatcancer.com. There's a link to it in the description right below this video.